What's going on, y'all? It's your girl Danielle Denese back again with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna do my 1 month update. I've been using Hismile V34 color corrector, and I'm gonna give you a little bit of tea. I'm gonna let you know from my experience if I think that I got or it was worth my money. Stay tuned. The very first time I used this product was December 5th. Today is actually Friday, January 6th. I haven't been using it every single day consecutively, but I have used it sporadically, meaning I've used it maybe of a total of 10 to 20 times throughout the period. I won't say I did it for like the full 30 days, okay? So let's just go ahead and do this updated review for y'all. Okay. Y'all already know I'm team short, so we're gonna just plop you up there. Use the footstool there. Got new pictures up there. For the people that commented on my last video talking about I was all over the place, it clearly said in the bottom of the video when the review started. But don't worry, I'm gonna stay on track this time, all right? So let's get to it. I'm just gonna get my toothbrush. We're gonna put the 2 pumps like before. If you haven't seen my first review, you might want to pause this and go watch it, then watch this one. But I'm going to do consolidation at the end of all the times to show. So we'll do the very first time how my teeth looked. I'm going to have the second time I actually use it. I have a video of what my teeth look like. And this is after like about 10 to 20 times later. Okay? So let's go. Oh, let me zoom in and just show y'all. This lighting is horrible. Let me do it like this. I brushed my teeth for today, but I didn't use this. So let's see. Here we go.
A few minutes later.
All right, and I'm back. So this is about, like I said, I've used it about 10 to 20 times. And this is the results. If you refer back to my previous video, I showed you that I actually reached out to Hismile. It is safe for you to use every single day. After you brush your teeth normally for the day, you can just go ahead and use it. I wouldn't use it twice a day because you know you're supposed to brush your teeth twice a day. I would just use it like after my morning brush. But I feel like this is not one of them things where you used to go to professional and get your teeth whitened or lightened. You're not gonna get like professional results, but for the price point, for the type of product it is, it's not like it's a specialist or anything. I feel like it's worth the money. As you can see, you definitely can see that my teeth have a whiter hue. It's more of a cool tone. Is it like white? No. So, I mean, you have to determine what you're looking for in this product. If you're looking for something like a professional or specialist, this might not be the best thing for you. Maybe if you go get it done by a professional and then to upkeep it, you use this product, cool. If you're just looking for something to just give you some lighter tones and, you know, just gives a little bit of whiteness, just gives a little bit of little oomph to your smile, I would say this would be a good fit. It's not like, oh my God, drastic. Like you're not going to see absolutely no more yellow. Yeah, that's not going to happen. Maybe over time and months down the line, maybe it could be a possibility. But just from the span of using this for 1 month, you do still see a little bit of yellow, but it's not as much. I'll do one more review. I'll come back and do a 2 month. I'm going to try to do it even more times this month so we can see a difference. All right, y'all, I'm going to just add this part into the review because this is like natural sun lighting. These are the teeth. These are the teeth. Like I said, I haven't been using them every single day. It's sporadic. Sometimes I might use it in a couple of consecutive days. Sometimes I won't. I'll come back and do one more last month update. We'll see. But this is it for now, okay? Like I said, if you're looking for professional whiting, this ain't it. That's not gonna happen. You have to get something stronger. But it's good for the job, you know, if you have a quick event coming up and you need a little bit of brightness to your smile. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. If you're vibing me, you're feeling my personality just from this review. Many of you guys came to my channel because of this review. Y'all wanted to look for a review for this. But if you're vibing with me and you like my personality, don't be afraid, hit the subscribe button. I do a lot of vlogs on my mommy and me tip with my daughter. I do a lot of things with fashion. I do a lot of other product reviews for your everyday consumer. And I also do a lot of lifestyle stuff. So if you're interested in that, we would be a great fit. Come join the crew. We on the road to 1K, like I said before. So run it up, run it up, run it up. All right, until next time, y'all. See y'all next time. Bye. Mwah.